Right now, I am actually going to a friend's house. We're gonna go for a boosted board ride. I've been going on road trips in the past couple of days. Kind of exhausted, but good video. I mean, I kind of like enjoy editing the video I produce. Usually, you know, when the vlog, like there's nothing that interesting happen, I don't really enjoy editing the video. But the past couple of videos, I actually enjoy editing it. I actually enjoy watching back myself. But we don't have that kind of day all the time, so it's time to go back to the regular vlog days. Let's go. Well, he just got off the scooter and we're gonna go to a park, just go for a joyride. Joyride, such a bad word. How's the mic? I just used a new mic. Alright, right now we are at a park and we're gonna do a drag race between that thing and the boosted board. And because I'm gonna be pretty unstable at high speed, so we're only gonna stop at that Prius. I think I'm pretty sure I'm gonna win. Alright, let's see. So I won at the drag race and a rolling race, and I lost at the brake test. Alright, let's go. Full speed, uphill. Alright, we're just here getting some drink. Let's go. Grass jelly number 2. Alright, right now we're just here at another park. Boosted board dead. It's only 5-mile range because I customized it. I put on bigger wheels on it, so it only have 5 miles range. And yeah, the range is gone. So right now I'm just walking. I am here at a car wash again, just from the road trip. It was disgusting. I've been testing out this mic, Rode Wireless Go. I had this for a while. It's just kind of stopped using it. Today I took it out. It's actually pretty good. I'm not actually recording on that mic right now because it was dead. That's one thing. I throw it in the corner for a bit because like you have to manually turn it on and off, and you have to charge it. And yeah, that's the problem. So today I just kind of leave it on. Yeah, I want to see how long does it gonna last. It lasts about 6 hours so far. It's probably gonna last longer because I didn't really fully charge it. It was pretty good so far. Audio quality is great. It was small enough. It was really small. Pretty much can't see it. So everything was really good with this mic. Literally like a Tesla corner. So Model Y, Model 3, there's Model Y, and this is my Model 3. So many Teslas in this this little corner. I just did a little DoorDash. Definitely complete more older I shot on the camera, but I just started recording in the middle. It's almost 8 p.m. We're gonna go home. Pretty productive day. Actually trying to get myself in more productive mood a little bit every single day. I'm gonna do like multiple things, schedule tighter and tighter, but still have enough time to relax so I don't burn out. And we're going home. It's actually pretty close. It's just only 4 minutes. Let's drop off from my home. Alright, let's go.